Good day, sir.
My name is Darren Torgosa.
And I'm Ivanyo Shimamjun, Section J1C1.
What aspects of magnetism were highlighted in the films? Here are a few key aspects. Magnetic manipulation. Magneto can generate controlled magnetic fields allowing him to manipulate metal objects. He can attract or repel metallic items, levitate them, reshape them, and use them as weapons. Magnetic shielding. Magneto can create full force fields or shields using magnetic fields. These shields can protect him from physical attacks and reflect projectiles. Magnetic flight. By manipulating magnetic fields, Magneto can levitate and protect himself through the earth, effectively granting him the ability to fly. Magnetic sensitivity. Magneto has an enchanted of magnetism, allowing him to detect and protective magnetic fields in his surroundings.
Where the real world application or example of magnetism phenomena depicted. Since the portrayal of magnetism is primarily fictional and exaggerated for the purpose of the storytelling, there are instances where the real world applications or example of magnetism phenomena are depicted to some extent in the X-Men movie.
Did the film accurately represent principles related to magnetism? No. The X-Men movie do not accurately represent the principle related to magnetism. In a scientific sense, while the Wolves incorporated elements of magnetism through the character Magneto, the portrayal is primarily fictional and exaggerated from the purposes of the storytelling and entertainment. In reality, magnetism is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior and properties of magnetic fields and their interactions with objects. The scientific principles of magnetism involves concepts such as magnetic fields, magnetic force, magnetic materials, and electromagnetic. So, induction. So, these principles are not accurately depicted in the X-Men movie.
Where the source that spark our curiosity or raise questions about magnetism. Yes, the scene where Magnet manipulates metal objects or creative force field using magnetic fields might make curious wonder about the limits of magnetic manipulation or the potential real-world applications of such abilities. But after when I reach the scene again, slightly understand about magnetism and how it works.
Comparing the portrayal of magnetism X-Men movie to the real world scientific principles, Magneto powers go beyond what is the scientifically possible, allowing him to control and manipulate magnetic fields with his mind. The movie Magneto generating and manipulating magnetic fields without the visible source or mechanism which is not possible in reality. Magneto's enchanted sense of magnetism is exaggerated compared to what humans can naturally perceive. The real-world applications of magnetism such as electric motors and MRI are not accurately represented in the movie. Overall, while the movie trans inspiration from the magnetism, they take overactive liberties and do not to scientific accuracy.
In conclusion, the X-Men movie incorporate elements of magnetism through the character Magnetic. However, the portrayal of magnetism in the movie is primarily fictional and exaggerated. For the purpose of the storytelling and entertainment, while the movie touched upon concepts like magnetic manipulation, levitation, and shielding, they do not accurately represent the real-world scientific principles of magnetism. It is important to approach the X-Men movie as words of fiction rather than as accurate representations of magnetism in the real world. And that's all. Thank you, sir.